Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us: money habits that can keep you from achieving financial freedom. Imagine this: you've been working hard, putting in those long hours, yet every month, your bank account seems to barely budge. It's frustrating, isn't it? Well, you're not alone, and the good news is that we can change this together. Let's explore 5 common money habits that might be holding you back. First up, living beyond your means. It's easy to get caught up in the lifestyle of others, but overspending can lead to a cycle of debt that's hard to escape. Next, we have neglecting savings. If you're not setting aside even a small amount each month, you're missing out on the security that savings can provide. Third, let's talk about impulse buying. Those little purchases can add up quickly, draining your finances without you even realizing it. Fourth, failing to budget is another pitfall. A budget helps you understand where your money goes and allows you to prioritize your spending. Lastly, not investing in yourself can be detrimental. Whether it's education or skills, investing in your growth can lead to better job opportunities and increased income. Now that we've identified these habits, let's focus on how to fix them. Start by creating a realistic budget, track your spending, and make a conscious effort to save. Challenge yourself to wait before making purchases, and consider investing in courses or workshops that can enhance your skills. Remember, it's never too late to change your financial habits. With a little effort and dedication, you can pave the way to a brighter financial future. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on achieving financial success. Let's take this journey together.